Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So let me do one more video. Kava, well, it's I think I hold Kava since or invest in Kava since 2020, and I do have still potential. And yeah, I can see now that more likely this was the beginning of wave 1 in green, and we did maybe this was the A, this was the B, and we had the 5 wave down for the C. And this would have concluded this correction for the wave 2. So ideally I need to take this and move it here, so we can see that price really stayed where it was supposed to. And yeah, and after that we can see that we had a very nice impulsive movement. What I don't like of this though is I'm not sure this spike is it reliable, because I think that was 1 hour spike, so I don't know, maybe it's just a glitch. It already happened. Very possible it can be. So the only thing that worried me about that. And also don't like the thing that, so we did the wave 1 very nice and long on the side. Wave 2 I like. The pullback was within the what a wave 2 can go, and we had a nice impulsive movement to the upside. Amazing. The only problem is, so how do I count this? So it can be wave 1 and 2, and this cannot be the third wave because it's going to be the shortest one, I believe, by my eye. Let me see. So I add it here and I put it to the wave B. So you see, 1-to-1 ratio, this wave should have gone higher to be a valid wave 3, because the wave 5 is just skyrocketing. So the other thing I can do, let me see now, maybe this is our wave 1 and this was a wave 2, but I'm still stuck with this wave, well, that's spike over there that I don't appreciate. Let me put the 0.3 if it's very bullish. Okay, okay. No, crypto is very bullish. It can just go and make a pullback in 0.382. That's correct. So let me go and check Kava, but another one, because it really bothers me. So Kava, and this is the Binance. So let's go Kava KuCoin. Damn, the spike is still there. Is it 1 hour spike? Okay, so still the same. Am I using the same one? I'm not. So you can see in Binance the spike was crazy, and in the KuCoin, yeah, is it the same? Yeah, is it? Yeah, no, okay. So Binance, you can see the spike is very, very high, and we reach 156, and the lowest one after was 128. And here we still went to 150, but then it was 138 and 131. So honestly, maybe I prefer maybe this one. So once again, I am going to say this was a pullback area. Let me start label stuff. I guess after I'm going to adjust the counts. So this was our first wave. This was our second one. Now, third wave here. You know, it's going to end up to be a diagonal, and diagonals are unfortunately not that reliable. So what I'm doing now, the extension, wave 1, beginning to the end of wave 1, I added to the end of wave 2, 1.618. Okay, you know. Now you guys tell me that, you know, Fibonacci extension and Elliott wave are bullshit. Because, you know, did we just stop bend on at the 1.618? We did. Alright, so that's good. So this is a 1, 2, and 3. So now if I make something like that, I'm going to take the wave 1 and the wave 3, or maybe just something like that, the trend. Let me try to do something. Okay, and now, well, I think if I just clone it, I don't think it's going to work because we did break it, so not going to do that. But if I start from here and I do that, maybe something like that. So it could be that we're not done with this correction, and I could actually just take that and say this was our wave 1. Let me see here. Yeah, ideally it would be this 1, this 2, this 3, this is 4, and somewhere here 5. And then we're going to have a correction. So anyway, no matter how you count it, I would say that up to now we did have this third wave, and I would say that more likely we almost about to end this fourth wave here. Let's see if actually price stopped to this trend line, and once again we can see that price was kind of dancing with the MA 200, and really here start to kick out, and the MA 200 is acting as a support as well, and so, you know, it's very nice. That's on the daily. Would have been much better if you could do that on the daily one. Let's go and get there eventually. 4 hours kind of the same. MA 200 is kind of far, so we have and let's see on the daily what's the situation here. So for very long time price was below the MA 200, which it's bearish, and now price is higher, so that's encouraging. It only did momentarily here, but now we can see more price action above the MA 200, so that's also encouraging. Once again, well, on the daily we are start to be oversold, but we can manage to go and go higher and go on the side on the oversold area to do that fifth wave. So once again, you know, this was our first wave. This is the second. The third wave usually, you know, is the wave that get the highest value in the RSI, which we did. I mean, for 1 hour, but we did it. And now we are doing this wave 4. So technically wave 5, we just need to do something higher than the third wave. Now, I honestly don't know if Kava can do it again and make a higher high. Maybe we're going to have a truncated fifth wave, possible. Or if we keep going and going on the side, Yeah, the problem is we should go a little bit lower in the RSI, but we don't have much space to go before breaking that trend. And I know first sign that discount is going to fail, price is going to break the trend. So it's tricky. Once again, diagonal are not very well often reliable, and also this spike, it's a little bit annoying. Would have been better a more sustainable one, and that lasted more than 1 hour or two. Once again, I don't remember how many hours here it lasted. Yeah, honestly, really 1 hour, and then after we had the decline. So there you go. All right, so this is pretty much all for Kava for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.